Phonics Quiz Time with Teacher Chris. Which word starts with butterfly, flower, pencil? Flower, flower. Which word starts with cat, mouse, bunny, cat, cat. Which word starts with car, pencil, moon, moon, moon. Which word starts with car, rainbow, butterfly, rainbow, rainbow. Which word starts with egg, duck, mom, duck, duck. Which word starts with guitar,
jellyfish,
kite, guitar, guitar. Which word starts with
bus, lion,
kite, kite, kite. Which word starts with
jellyfish, bus,
mom, jellyfish, jellyfish. Which word starts with worm,
ant,
bee, ant, ant. Which word starts with egg, iguana, axe, egg. Which word starts with elephant, iguana, alligator, iguana, iguana. Which word starts with whale, urchin, octopus, octopus, octopus. Great job!
bye-bye.